Okay guys, let's see if I can explain how this blueprint works. Sorry if my English is not very good, but let's see. Okay, we have the blueprint here. We can use this variable to change its size, like here. Okay, all sounds are going to spawn inside this entire area. Here we have the fade time, that's the fade in and fade out time. When during the day, for example, you have dusk sounds and you change to night sounds. So all dusk sounds are going to fade out, and at the same time all night sounds are going to fade in this time. Here is this is just an option to make the birds to fly from one place to another. So every 10 seconds the birds are going to fly from one place to another. This option here is just to change the difference between the green and red areas. Okay, so here we have the layers, for example, nature, animals, people, etc. Let's play this blueprint here. In this one I add only insects sounds, like day and night. For example, we have 5 sounds. That's the total amount that's going to be spawned in this entire area. We have 2 kinds, these cicadas and grasshoppers. So the system will going to spawn at least one of each and then handle the amount. For example, we have 10. It is going to spawn one of this one, and then the rest is going to be handled. So you have, if you don't want too much of those 2 kinds, you can add more options, for example. So let's change to 5 again and let's play. We are during the day. If we play, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sounds that we can hear. They are insects, right? Okay, if we change to 10, we will have 10 sounds, obviously. Okay, very good. Let's see during night. Let's see if I can jump the time. Okay, just a second. No. Yeah, we have a bug. Okay, no problem. Let's change here the night. Alright, maybe here. Oh god, okay. So here we have the 5 night sounds for insects. Okay, all good. Okay, let's change back to day. Alright. More things. Here we have the volume. We can increase like 2 or 3 for this layer only. So insects day with 3 times volume, you have much louder sound, for example. You see, much louder. Okay. And we can play with the other layers. For example, this one here, we have animals day and night for flying ground. This is where the red and green areas works. So flying animals are going to spawn inside this red area, and ground animals are going to spawn inside the green area. So we can go here to layer animals. Dusk and down only doesn't have a flying ground area. Okay, but for example, day flying, we have all this kind of birds, and ground we have some monkey and frogs. Let's see what happens. So we have some ground animals here, some monkeys. So where are the birds? Right, we said here we want 25 birds, but we have none here. Why they don't exist? Why? Because we don't have any trees here. All flying animals needs trees to spawn, like for example this one here. We have some trees, and we set 20 birds in this head area. So let's see what happens. Okay, now the birds spawned. You can hear them, right? Oh, 20 birds. They spawn near trees, so we need some trees to make the birds to spawn. Okay, so we have the same system for town. For example, we have people. Let's change to this one here, that I place it only one sound with a volume of 3 of a town sound, for example. Let's hear. Okay, it's spawned in here, no problem. We have some noise of a city, some wind, and we have the music too. Okay, here we have the nature, for example, forest, mountain, ocean. It works the same way. They spawn inside the entire area. You can hear them. If you go away, the sound fades out. That is a attenuation size. And here is dawn and dusk. The same thing. For the wind, we have a different system. We have a layer only for the wind, but we have this little guy here that shows the direction of the wind. For example, you can change it here. Here, for example, where the wind comes from this side, a little from the top. This is the sound direction. So if you play, when the player enters this area, you can see that the wind follows him, and the sound is here. Very nice. You can change the camera, but the sound is still there. If you leave the area, the sound stays there. Okay. So this is the direction of the sound. If you change to like this and play, the wind sound now comes from this direction. Here we have some